Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am basically giving Unice Hair one more try, one more chance. I know that last time that I did a video for them, you guys did enjoy it, and it has like the most views out of all my other videos. But I did see a lot of complaints in the comments, and I was pretty confused because every time that I've ordered from Unice Hair or I've gotten hair sent to me from Unice, it's always been really good, so I was confused. And I did see some people like blaming me, but I'm not the company and I didn't know that this was going on. So when they did reach out to me again, I initially said that I wouldn't review their video on my channel because of what happened last time, and I saw a lot of complaints. And we did a lot of back and forth, and I feel like they understand the problems and they are willing to improve. And I also want to make sure that you guys also get the best service, so I did talk to them. I have some notes that they've given me and that I wanted to let you guys know. They're aware of the feedback from their customers. They're basically giving they're giving me a code, so if you guys use the code DELIZZLE, you guys will be getting 12% off, and then you guys can place your order and not worry about the service or the hair. And if there is some issues, you guys can also contact me or you can contact them. But you do have 30 days of a free return, and you guys can get in touch with any of their customer service reps even on the weekends, and they will give you a response within 12 hours. I'll put my email down below just in case if there's ever any issues, and I'll send it to them and they'll contact you and provide you with the service that you deserve. They'll fix your order and everything, so hopefully they make up for any kind of trouble they've caused you guys. And I feel like they sounded pretty genuine. Let me know how it goes, and I will also keep you guys updated. If anything happens, I will delete all the videos with Unice and we'll see where we go from there. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, I am reviewing this wig. I'm actually obsessed with it. It looks so good. So it is their 28-inch body wave wig, and this is their HD lace, but it's a 5x5 HD lace. So the lace only goes from here to here, and it looks really good. So there's no lace on the sides. It's just hair, and it's really, really long. So I didn't do anything to it. I just pretty much installed the wig, and you guys can see that in the video. I'm so far really liking the lace. Is good, the hair is good. I've always had good experiences with Unice, so that's why I keep reviewing them, and I really like their hair. Well, let me know in the comments, and also you can email me and we can figure it out if it doesn't go well. But yeah, enough of me talking, let's just get right into the video. Here is the box. So in here you of course have the wig, and I already went ahead and plucked it off camera by myself and also bleached the knots, so I'll just show you guys that last. But in the box you get a little bag with a wig cap in it, like the usual stuff, wig cap, lashes, and a silk wrap, so I will use this, and the wig cap as well. Here is the wig. It is 28 inches. This might be the longest wig I've ever worn. I like body wave better than straight. I feel like it's more versatile and has more body in it. It is a 5x5 right there, and I went ahead and bleached it already so y'all can see that. I just plucked it right around the front just so that it can be easier, but you can always pluck after you install it. So since it's a 5x5 wig, it's only going to be glued like right in the front. So I'm just taking some alcohol. Well, I ran out of alcohol, but I do have hand sanitizer, which is pretty much alcohol. So I'm just going to use that to just clean up this area, but I don't have any makeup on, so. And then I don't want any of my edges to disappear. So I'm going to be taking some Got2b and basically just pushing my edges back, like the ones that are in the front. I don't think it glues all the way up to here, so you don't have to worry about that part. I'm just going to blow dry to make sure that it stays dry and that it holds. Now the wig cap. This is actually gonna be really, like, it's gonna be a nice change because I hate like gluing the sides of my wigs down because that's always the hardest part. I just realized I forgot my Got To Be free spray, but so I got this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put it just in the front area. I'm just gonna guess like what's gonna be glued down, but just right here is good. And now we blow dry. Now I'm gonna just put the wig on just to make sure I glued enough of the wig cap down. You could have done this in the beginning, but you know, I'm just going with the flow. And now we cut right here and just this, and leave this area on pretty much. It's so different like doing it on yourself. I've been doing installs on like my clients for like this whole year, and it's just so different whenever I do it on myself. I think we're good. You never want the wig cap to be like too light. It always looks better if it's a bit darker, because then when you put the glue, it kind of brightens it up like a couple shades. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what usually happens. I usually go ahead and like use the Got To Be and kind of like go over the edges again, but I feel like it's not that needed right now. I'm just gonna remove some of the foundation that's on my skin. Right, the wig cap is on and we're good to go. Oh, I just realized I have these. I'm gonna just tuck them in later. Whatever. I don't want it to be too far back, and I don't want it to be too close. So hard doing it on yourself, oh my gosh. And what I like to always do is getting a darker pencil and marking out where I'm going to put the glue. I'm just going to take a dark, like darker shade and just go over the parts that are like white and get rid of them. So for the glue, I'm using Bold Hold. It is one of my favorites. This is the Bold Hold Active, and I'm gonna do about, I'll do like 3 layers. And you kind of want to focus more on like the edges where your skin and the wig cap like meet right there. So you never want to put too much glue. Like putting it too far down is always harder, because at the end, if you don't like how it looks, it's harder to take it off rather than like put more on, if that makes sense. I know there's a little bit of areas that are kind of white, but with Bold Hold, I feel like it always dries down at the end, so I can fix it. It's no problem. Now I'm just gonna carefully align the dots that I made and press it down. You just always want to be careful when you lay the lace down, because wherever you put it is where it's gonna stay. Like there's no room to like lift and job, but this is looking really good. Whatever area is lifting, like you can see around the perimeter, it usually lifts. You can now use the bowl hold and go in and glue it down precisely. I just use the tip of the comb for this part. So now taking my styling foam, I'm gonna carve out my edges. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait about like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's time to take this off. All right. Looking good. Now we are gonna flatten this because this is too bumpy right now, and my favorite thing to use is the Murray's beeswax. The best way to do this, I think I'm gonna do a middle part, is just to go section by section. To fix the baby hairs. Well, you don't have to, but I like to give that little soft look. That looks pretty good to me. And I don't know if I want to style it. Like, I love the natural texture that it comes in. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like this. I like this texture. And you normally don't get the texture that it comes in back. So let me just enjoy this texture for a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment below what you would like to see next, and make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.